Hey, tool fans! We're here with another exciting video of 20 woodworking tools that will help professionals and DIY enthusiasts make their carpentry and wood-related projects much easier and safer. So buckle up and let's dive in. This tiny guy you see here is the Sand-It from Milescraft, a compact, quick, and convenient sanding solution for all small projects. With a unique patented multi-sided design, you'll be able to sand multiple surfaces. Want to know the cool part? Each part of the little sander has a different shape to deal with any project, rough and tough. The sanding block offers 3 different rounded edges, like a concave profile, a flat profile, and a tight edge to tackle all tight corners. Wait, there's more! The Sand-It is highly adaptable and quick to modify different sheets and sandpapers. What else could you ask from this little one? No wonder centerline marking is one of the crucial process carpenters often encounters. How about a lightweight, compact tool that can handle 2 tedious tasks? This Rockler centerline marking tool allows you to draw a centerline on the edge and make offset lines too. Just put a number 2 pencil in the center hole. Place it perfectly and slide. You'll get a pinpoint marked line in seconds. Oh, you have some job that includes marking offsets or reveals, this blue boy will handle them all. Just flip the tool, keep it against the board, choose the offset, and slide. Next time you take on any remodeling project in hand, make sure your toolbox got this guy. This is the Bosch cordless palm router and planer, a newly shaped tool for perfect control over all professional jobs. Thanks to the unique design and low weight, you'll get comfortable handling even during hours of use. This router's ideal balance point and enlarged footplate ensure perfect control for the toughest jobs. In addition, you'll get a smooth and fast macro depth adjustment facility to achieve accurate depth. Plus, the spindle lock mechanism lets you easily change the bits and maintains productivity on the busy job site. Cordless freedom, hassle-free working. If you want to cut timber or large wood pieces, this Logasol F2 Farmer's Chainsaw Mill will be your great mate, as it is very easy to set up and takes minimal effort to dismantle for storage. Surprisingly enough, you don't have to empty your bank to have this sawmill and don't need any pre-training to be used. So if you have never saw on timber before, you will quickly get started with your production of planks and boards. The Logasol F2 is constructed of strong anodized aluminum, so you can get a sturdy sawmill that will never rust and requires 0 maintenance. Comfort that you've always wanted. Design that will blow your mind. Consider how convenient it would be if you were able to safely cut high branches while keeping your feet on the ground. Now you can do it with these steel cordless pole pruners. Whether in the park or a residential street, these pole pruners will cut down unwanted branches in mere time. Thanks to the quiet operations and lightweight design, you'll surely get the desired comfort. Not just that, you can attach the pole to your backpack system to reach those places you didn't think of reaching before. Days of fatigueful actions are gone, don't you agree? Okay, you've used a lot of scroll saws before, but you've rarely used a saw that can cut in 2 different directions, don't you? Meet the Wen 3916-inch scroll saw that easily takes on the most intricate and artful cuts. You can adjust the speed of the scroll saw anywhere between 550 and 1600 strokes per minute with the simple turn of a knob. With a cast iron base, it prevents vibration and walking during the most demanding applications. Plus, this 3920 also comes up with a hold-down foot clamp to secure your project in place. And the flexible work light that bends and adjusts in any position will steal your mind. If you're confused about this tool right here, is it a fidget spinner or a toy? Then you should take a closer look. Because this is a scribing tool from Thingamjig. This tool will make sure you get the accurate finish on every project and make your workmanship top grade. You can change the scribing blades easily by simply unscrewing the grub screw, changing the blade, and screwing again. And on top of that, you can scribe the extra edges of your would-be installed wood benches, especially when you're into a remodeling job. Feels like a toy, works like a pro. Now, this is something different. Not a single hacksaw. It is a full hacksaw frame set from Kata. Yup, this hacksaw frame set is equipped with 3 different hand saws to meet all your common needs. You can easily change the blade in minutes and deal with wood, steel, drywall, and plasterboard. Maybe you want to make a flush cut, right? Here's the twist. The 12-inch hacksaw lets you adjust the blade angles between 45 and 90 degrees so you can take on any flush cuts out there. And the built quality of the hacksaw is worth mentioning. No wonder you'll get absolute durability and superior comfort at the same time. The square clamp kit from Milescraft is an ideal option to clamp a square line of products. Each kit of the set comes with an 8-inch durable clamp that is surprisingly lightweight and won't mark your boards ever. Although Milescraft has already introduced a bunch of clamping solutions, this one has some secrets. The uniquely designed 2 square clamps have built-in patented dovetail tracks that quickly attach clamps and save your time for the next process. After positioning the workpiece, slide the clamp toward your workpiece and press down the cam lever handle. Your projects are more secure than ever. In woodworking, wood carving is the most crucial step, but you can make them a lot easier with this ArborTech Mini Carver. Wondering how? Well, it has a sturdy tungsten carbide blade and variable speed adjustment, which allows you to reach the best result of any creation. Plus, you can easily do timber removal, freehand shaping, and detailed carving at the toughest places. On top of that, it has a convenient dust collection method that frees you from dirt. Dealing with wood sculptures? Maybe you need this carver. Tired of making inconsistent and inaccurate cuts with your saw? Well, it's time to upgrade your game with the M1 Caliber, a revolutionary measuring tool that's about to turn the table. This patent-pending tool easily clamps onto almost any type of saw fence, providing precise and consistent measurements with ease. No more fussing around with rulers and tape measures. Just clamp the M1 Caliber onto your saw fence, release the arm, and let the device do the rest. The M1 Caliber even has an automatic adjustment feature that ensures your materials are properly aligned, giving you pinpoint measurements every time. And the best part? You can customize the measuring units to fit your preference, making this tool perfect for any project. For a woodworking enthusiast, there's nothing quite as satisfying as having the right tools at his arsenal. And when it comes to getting the job done quickly and efficiently, the Bora Speedhorse is a game changer. Designed with the pros in mind, this tool is incredibly easy to set up thanks to its unique trigger release mechanism. And when it comes to weight capacity, it's best in class, which means you can get to work with confidence and without worrying about stability or safety. But what really sets the Bora Speedhorse apart from a regular sawhorse is its versatility. With this tool, you'll be able to take your woodworking experience to the next level and beyond. Getting the perfect cuts with the bandsaw brings great struggle if you don't have the right assistance. That's where the BowGuide Pro Bandsaw Guide comes in handy. This easy-to-install guide provides a hands-free solution to achieving optimal performance while cutting a variety of woods and lumbers. With the Guide Pro, you'll have control and pressure that keeps your band stable and produces a precise cut every time. But wait, there's more. This guide also helps you achieve smoother, consistent pressure and reduced vibration in just 3 simple steps. Plus, with its comfortable silicone gripping position, you can work for hours without experiencing any fatigue. Whether you're involved with any kind of decking project, the Deck Pro tool is an indispensable tool to have. First, it has impressive adjustability that accommodates all common board sizes, ranging from 85 to 150 millimeters. This tool is also tough and reliable, having undergone rigorous testing to ensure that the top handle can withstand direct pressure of up to 100 kilograms. It also features a cylindrical head that ensures a stable, non-wobbling installation while providing a neat and subtle finish. Plus, its clamping effect is second to none, thanks to the screws equipped with 2 threads with different pitches that provide a strong clamping effect. And if you're working in a tight space or an awkward mounting angle, the Deck Pro tool has got you covered with its reduced drill point that allows for a quick startup. Looking to take your dowel hole drilling game to the next level? Look no further than the Wolfcraft Dowel Jig, the perfect tool for accurately aligning dowel holes and creating perfect edge-to-edge corner and T-butt joints. What's so great about this tool? First off, it's affordable and easy to handle, so even inexperienced DIYers can use it with confidence. And with its precise design, you can be sure that your dowel holes will be perfectly aligned every time. This tool is also incredibly versatile, with the ability to work with 6, 8, and 10 millimeters dowel pins and board thicknesses from 12 to 30 millimeters. But the best part, this tool is quick and easy to use, so you can get your project done in no time. No more struggling to drill straight, accurate dowel holes. The Woodpecker's Protractor T-Square is a precision measuring tool that is designed to instill confidence in its users. When you pivot the head of the tool, you'll notice a precision fit between the components that immediately instills confidence. This ensures that the movement is smooth and fluid, with no backlash when you change direction. The T-Square features a laser-engraved scale that is razor-sharp and easy to read. It ensures that your measurements are accurate and reliable. Meanwhile, the cursor on the protractor matches up perfectly with the scale, assuring that your angle measurements are laid down precisely. It also comes in 12-inch, 24-inch, 600 millimeter, and 32-inch blade lengths. It simply lets you measure angles up to 32 inches long, making it a versatile tool for a range of woodworking applications. When the fierce autumn or winter storms wreak havoc on your trees and limbs, you need a reliable tool to manage them. This is the Metabow cordless chainsaw that gives you an effort-free way of meeting all your cutting needs. Boasting an impressive 16-inch chain length, this chainsaw can effortlessly tackle even the thickest logs and larger trees. Its efficient brushless motor allows for lightning-fast chain speeds of up to 22 meters per second, making quick work of any job. With 2 18-volt batteries, you can make up to 171 cuts on a single charge, giving you the freedom to tackle day-long projects without interruption. Plus, the variable speed trigger ensures stable operation for precise cutting every time. You no longer have to fumble with cords and be tethered to a power source. To achieve highly accurate cuts, a track saw has no rivals in the field. That's why Ryobi added this brushless 6.5-inch track saw to its lineup. This tool combines a high-performance brushless motor, advanced electronics, and lithium-ion batteries to give you up to 260 linear feet of cutting per charge. Thanks to the pre-included 27.5-inch tracks, it lets you make up to 55-inch precise and controlled cuts, and even more with additional tracks. Plus, the bevel cuts are a breeze, too. With up to 4,300 revolutions per minute of speed, the track saw stands for quick and accurate cuts. But it doesn't stop there. This saw also comes equipped with an adjustable depth control switch and depth scale for precise score and plunge cuts. as well as track adjust and anti-tip adjustments to ensure smooth and accurate cuts every time. To conclude the list, we have the Makita PT001G. It's an efficient and reliable brushless pin nailer designed to deliver a pneumatic-like experience to users. It features a powerful brushless motor that provides maximum power. With its redesigned driving spring, users can operate this tool almost as if they were using a pneumatic pin nailer. The low reaction force mechanism of this tool enables users to easily perform long pin nailing while also achieving a high-quality finish. The tool's driver durability has been improved by redesigning the shape of the driver tip and reducing thin places, ensuring it is built to last. On top of that, it is engineered with extreme protection technology to improve its dust and water resistance for operation in harsh conditions. And the magazine capacity of up to 120 nails is worth mentioning, taking up productivity to the next level.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.